Hey everyone, today we're diving into something super important, something that can literally change your life if you understand it right. Confidence. Ever looked at someone and thought, whoa, they're just natural confident? Let me tell you a little secret. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. So, what is confidence really? Confidence is not about being loud. It's not about having all the answers. It's simply the belief that you can handle whatever come your way. It's like this inner voice saying, I've got this, even when things get tough. And guess what? That voice, you can train it. Confidence means having faith on your skills and ability. It is a mental and spiritual power. A person full of confidence does not worry about his future. Confidence versus arrogance. Also, quick hands up. Confidence is not arrogance. Confidence says, I believe in myself. Arrogance says, I better than you. Big different. Third, the truth about confidence. Hear the truth. Confidence people aren't fearless. They just take action despite the fear. They fail, they get rejected, they mess up, but they keep going. And every time they do, their confidence grows. So, how do you build real confidence? Start small. Keep your promises to yourself. Learn skills. The more you know, more confidence you feel. Take kindly to yourself. Your inner voice matters more than you think. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Confidence is not something you're with for. It's something you create one action, one step, one decision at a time. So the next time you feel unsure, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to believe you can figure it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if this video helped you, drop a biceps in the comments and share it with someone who needs a confidence boost today. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay confident, stay outstandable.